The postgraduate certificate in ecological survey techniques is a really nice experience because it provides the participants with the tools that are needed for grand scale systematic surveying. So rather than just going out and recording anything they find, we give them the tools to go into not just their taxonomic group of choice, be it mammals or reptiles or amphibians or invertebrates, but also the data analysis skills, the mapping skills that they need to put all of this together to make sense of the data that they have collected. So it takes, to do a good survey, it takes a lot of preparation, it takes a lot of planning, but then it also takes a lot of analysis. And with the PG Cert, you're able to do all this.